This is Dan King of Boatshed on board this Tide 28 yacht. Coming down the ladder companionway, we turn right to a galley, and underneath the cockpit is a really large double divan. Moving further down the starboard side, there's a demountable shelf for the kitchen. Very nice upholstery. Underneath is cockpit storage, and there is a battery either side. The fore cabin is through the midships bulkhead with a privacy curtain. Looking to port. Again, the upholstery is in very good condition. A very nice navigation section. What I particularly like is the visibility of the bolts for the chain plates, which are not encapsulated but easily visible both inside and outside the boat. The head lining is in very good condition. It has a lifting keel, the process of which is to release the ropes there underneath this small divan. Is a lifting keel base, and it's worked from winches in the cockpit. The heads very clean, typical Jabsco toilet, easy wipe down surfaces, stainless steel sink. Overall, I'm struck by the clarity and simplicity of this Tide 28.